Giring!
Sayang.
O, nakita Giring.
FEU a little better, 6 of 9. Turnovers, 5 for FEU, 4 for JRU. And offensive boards, none for FEU. 5 for JRU. That's a big stat there.
It's sort of evening out, isn't it? And if you're JRU, of course you're getting more rebounds because you're missing more shots.
That's the other side of that statistic. You get more offensive boards, it means you're missing a lot of shots.
Well, that's why
Wilak pa ni Giring mo, si the issue. Giring.
Okay.
Sa
That's why I
likod,
get to work with
hindi
you.
makita, tara.
29-22, 2:44 to go. Second quarter.
Here, just 6-point lead.
Yes.
FEU slowly inching their way back to the ballgame.
Low and steady, as the children's story goes. 2.5 remaining. This is something that not too many people talk about. The fact that Joel Kane is now getting a lot of playing time is affecting the impact that John NJ has on JRU, because NJ was one of the leaders in this team.
And they can't be together at the same time.
Yes. So far, FEU has not been able to get shooters open. That's been their Achilles heel in this game. Zapata spinning. They're within 4 points, Bill. As you said, unti-unti lang, dahan-dahan.
Giring Paul at Giring.
JRU has only scored one field goal in the last 5 minutes.
Exactly 2 minutes remaining here in the second period. It has been the FEU's quarter.
16 seconds to shoot. Raycon Kabigting back in the game for the Heavy Bombers.
Ay, nalubat na ko.
Tamarao's performing better defensively.
Manawa na.
Lani looking for a shooter to pop out. Pinan on open lane. Shot clock at 3. They turn it over. Sana stepping on the gas, decides to wait for the guard. Garcia. Cervantes for a 3. Sana is better positioned. Londu doesn't want to get that third foul. Londu pushing Same out of the block. Same leaning in. Grabe ang gulangan sa ilalim.
In the positioning of Cervantes, giving them possession.
Lead is 4 points.
Oh, this is
behind.